Listen, if you're watching this, you're sick of being blindsided. You know the market changes, sometimes brutally fast. You see headlines, analyst chatter, endless noise. But you're still the last to know? It's infuriating. You're chasing trends that vanish before you can act. You're burning cash on moves nobody else sees coming, and every time you think you've got a handle on things, the market smacks you down. That frustration? It's real, and it's raw. But what if the biggest clues aren't in the news or the endless data dumps? What if the real signals lie inside the walls, inside the offices of the companies themselves? The people who know the game best aren't screaming on Twitter. They're moving quietly, almost invisibly. These are insiders, founders, execs, board members, those who sit at the negotiation table, who know the deals before anyone else hears about them. Their trades are the pulse. Their buys and sells tell a story that's hiding in plain sight. You've got to stop ignoring insider trades because that's where you find real edge. Not because you copy blindly, but because you learn to read between the lines. Forget what you think you know. When insiders start unloading shares, it's not just a random sell-off. They're dropping pieces for a reason. Maybe a deal is falling apart. Maybe the future isn't as bright as the press releases. Those sales? They're red flags screaming at you. Back off, rethink, or prepare for a dip. On the flip side, when insiders buy aggressively, that's not luck. That's them putting their own money where their mouth is. They believe in what's next, and if you can spot that, you get ahead of the market before the herd even smells the shift. But here's the catch. Most people drown in data or react like robots to big trades. You can't just track volume or headline numbers. Look for patterns. Does the CEO sell big, but the CFO keeps buying? Did the insider buys happen slowly over weeks or in one sudden burst? Every detail matters. Be ruthless in your analysis. This is not a hobby. This is survival. Use insider trades as a tool, your secret weapon to decode the real health of a company and the market's hidden moves. Now, how do you use this intel like a pro? First, automate. Get alerts for insider buys and sells in real time. Don't wait for the end-of-day reports or some newsletter summary. The difference between winning and losing here is seconds. Then, don't just watch one company, track insiders across the sector. If multiple insiders in the same industry are unloading shares, that's a warning flashing bright. Conversely, clusters of buys could signal a turnaround before anyone else notices. Next, combine insider data with other fundamentals: cash flow, upcoming product launches, patent filings, partnership rumors. Insider trades alone don't tell the full story, but combined with these factors, you get a multi-dimensional early warning system. Get your hands dirty in the data, connect those dots, and be ready to act. Fast. Here's the brutal truth. Relying on Wall Street noise makes you late and desperate. Relying on insider trades makes you sharp and in control. But don't get lazy. The system is built to keep you chasing after what's safe, after what's normalized. You have to be relentless. Build your own network of information. Create your own models. Trust your analysis. This is how founders and top-tier investors stay ahead. They don't hope for good news. They earn the edge by digging deeper, noticing what others miss because they're stuck in the mainstream. So stop wasting time on guesswork. Stop being the last to know. Use insider trades the way they're meant to be used, not as blind signals, but as keys to unlock the real story. Track, analyze, combine, and act like your money depends on it, because it does. Right now, the market is moving. Right now, insiders are telling you what's coming. Are you ready to listen, understand, and strike before the rest of this sea of noise even gets a hint? If you're truly serious about winning, you don't have a choice. You've got to get in their heads and beat them at their own game. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and open the featured link to discover more.